Hi everyone, welcome back to Beth's Best Hair. So tonight I am coming to you with another look at HEIDI from Paula Young. The color is SF1228 Honey. So I am wearing HEIDI. This is my original HEIDI. When I got her, I was still new in my wig journey, and I trimmed a bang, and I kind of wish that I wouldn't have. And I did root spray, and I'm kind of thinking maybe I won't root spray just because I want to try one without and just see what I think about the color. So just a couple little things that I wanted to do differently, but I absolutely love this hair. So I am so excited that I got another one. All right, so I just took her out of the box. I cut the tags off, and I want to show her to you. So old HEIDI, new HEIDI, yay! So this is how she looks. You can see a little bit of permatease there, but not much. When we lift the fibers up and over that, you don't see the permatease. And let's just take a look at her cap. HEIDI is a lace front, so that goes temple to temple, pre-cut lace front. She has the soft ear tabs with the bendy metal stays. She has the extended nape, and it has those Velcro right there. I love those. Her cap is nice and stretchy. I always buy an average. I'm gonna shake her up. Oh, shake, shake, shake. Shake, shake, shake. Shake your booty. And then I'm gonna put her on. I'll be right back. Alright, so I'm going to put a picture of Ashley up here. I'll put her measurements over here and we'll compare. She is not rooted, but the honey and this one, as you can see, has these really pretty highlights. Her part looks just slightly nesty here. There is permatease. There is permatease all in the top here, ooh, which is going to give us some nice lift. You know, I like me some big hair. As Dolly says, the bigger the hair, the closer to God. So I'm going to go ahead and spin around just so that we can see her from all sides before I start messing her up. Oh, I'm so excited to have a new HEIDI. Yay! I am going to mess her up a little bit just to kind of activate that permatease. So give her a little spritz with water and then get in there with your fingers and really mess her up to activate that permatease. I'm flip-flopping the part a little bit. Again, just attempting to activate that permatease. A little BETH'S Beautiful Brunette Dry Shampoo. Now just my wide tooth comb, combing her into the style and getting it parted on the side that I want. I'm a left side parter. I take my fine tooth comb to lift the fibers up and over the permatease so that you don't see the short hairs in the part. She's so pretty. She's so pretty. I just love this. I love the fibers. And I think that she already kind of looks like she has some rooting just because of the color. So I want to show you a little closer up here. I'll come in for the lace front. So it comes back, as you can see, to about here. She's so pretty with those layers. Just an ever so slight romantic wave. And I wanted to try her in some updos without the bangs so I could just have some pretty little tendrils coming down. So I want to go ahead and do some styles with her. I'm just going to wing it here and we're going to see what we can come up with for a style.
Headbands are always a great option. She looks so cute. And how about a little flower headband for a little pizzazz? And now I'm just going to work on that half up that I like to do. Use your rat tail end to pull a couple tendrils out. And then just secure with a claw clip. I try to catch a weft when I put the claw clip in. Now I'm going to work on my side set swept style. Twist it around the back, secure with a claw clip. I'll twist a section of the front down towards the back and then secure with a little flower clip for a little pretty side swept do. I'll give you a little picture of the back. Doesn't that look cute? All right, so I'm going to try a little more of a formal, kind of semi-formal style. So I'm twisting it, half of it down the back. I secured with bobby pins. Now I'll do a ponytail, then flip it through itself, tighten that, and then don't pull the hair all the way through. And now the sides that I left out, I'll twist, deconstruct the twist a little bit to mess it up, and then wrap it around that pony and secure with a bobby pin. I'll do the same thing on the other side. Twist. Now deconstruct and mess it a little bit. Secure with a bobby pin. And that helps to hide the wig line on the sides. Isn't that cute? And that was pretty darn easy, you guys. I'm doing it super quick here. Now I'll just do a couple twists on the side, secure with a bobby pin, and then let the hair kind of fall over. So a little bit of a waterfall there. That is super easy. The bobby pin you can just secure into a weft. Super easy to put on your glasses. Put them up over your head when you go into the grocery store. And now I'm going to do the halo twist. So that means I'm just grabbing some hair and twisting it all the way around. Keep adding just a couple little small sections as you twist. And once I get around to the front, I'll secure with a bobby pin underneath the other twist. How cute is that? Super easy. So many styling options with this girl. Oh my gosh. You guys, I love this.
You guys, I could just keep going on and on with Heidi. There's so many cute things that you can do with this style. This hair is just beautiful. I love it. It's just, it feels super nice. It's soft. It wasn't super shiny. Couple things that I did want to let you know. I have links for all of the products that I use below. The Beautiful Brunette Batiste, the L'Oreal Root Spray. I did not root spray this one, but I do root spray my bio hair on the sides here so that it blends with the wig, and that is a light brown. If I would use hairspray, I use the Pantene Air Spray, alcohol free. So for these long styles, I have the wig control spray, and I have a link for this, and it is just a nice conditioning spray. So I always spray that on in the morning before I wear the wig. Use my wide tooth comb to comb that out. At night, when I take it off, I comb it out. I spray underneath at the nape with the Simply Stylin' Silk Spray and comb that out. Hang it upside down on the hook. For the lace front, how I don't typically glue it. I wear a velvet wig grape and I have perfect edges. And it is just a gel, argan oil gel. It's an African American product, but it works really well. So I use it on my bio hair at the top, and I just put a dollop of that gel up there and smooth all of my hair back so that this is nice and smooth. Sometimes you have to judge. You might either pull it back from your hairline or you might pull it forward a little bit. You have to be the judge on what you want for, you know, forefingers. Some people have a shorter forehead. Sometimes for the other ones that are not lace front, I usually pull those back a little bit because then I blend my bio hair. So for this one, I pull it forward just a little bit from my bio hair. So the other thing that I do is, sorry, it's kind of dirty, the Bare Minerals powder, and I have this type of a brush, and so that's what I'll do here if I feel I need to. I mean, this one's blending in pretty darn nice. Again, you know, you just have to judge that for yourself when you get a lace front. So these lace fronts that are pre-cut, they're a stiffer lace, so they all lay nice and flat. I love it. You don't have to mess with trying to cut it and figure all that out. The other thing that you can use, which I have bought, is this was originally like holding up your pantyhose. It's like an It Stays, and it's a roll-on. So if you wanted to glue it down, you would just put this on right at the top, underneath, of course. Let it dry a little bit, and then you would just sort of press this down. So that's all I do. I'm so glad that I ordered another one. She's such a pretty style, and the next time they have a big sale, I'll probably get a couple more of her. I'm thinking that I want to try some other colors. I might even do like an auburn. I think that would be really pretty. So I'm getting a little bit braver on my wig journey. So thanks again, you guys, and if you haven't already subscribed, maybe you want to do that and click that bell so you're notified each time I upload a new video. For all of my subscribers, thank you so much. You guys are absolutely wonderful, and I love every single one of you. You build me up and you give me that confidence that I need to keep doing this for you and show you guys all this beautiful hair that we can find, that we can afford, that we love. And it makes us feel so good about ourselves. And that's my motto. Let's all lift each other up. Let's all support one another. So if you are new, welcome. I'm so happy that you're here, and I hope that you stick around for more videos. All right, I'm going to see you guys really soon. Bye-bye.